Hey guys, it's Jasmine and thank you for clicking on my video. And if you're interested in making these super delicious yet super easy and simple shrimp and grits, then just keep on watching. Alright, so first I'm starting off with some green onion that I chopped up. You can chop up as much as you want. 4 slices of thick cut bacon that I diced, and 6 super colossal shrimp. And I'm just going to go ahead and season my shrimp with some smoked paprika. You can use as much as you like, just, season it to proportion. And then I'm going to use some Old Bay seasoning, and I'm just going to dust it on the top, flip it over, dust it on the back, mix it in there. And then I'm going to go in with some ground black pepper and use as much as you like. And then finally, I'm going to use some Worcestershire sauce. And yeah, just put that on there as much as you like. And that's all. Now I'm gonna take my skillet and I'm gonna put my bacon in there. And I got my skillet on about medium high. And I'm gonna let this fry for about 8 minutes till it's nice golden brown. And then I'm gonna add in some light brown sugar, because we're gonna give our bacon a nice caramelized taste. Not too sweet, but it's gonna work, guys, with the sweet and savory of these shrimp and grits. So so now we're all done with the bacon. All right, now we want to save all that brown sugary bacon grease, and we want to go in and add our shrimp. And we got the skillet on the same temperature, medium high, and we're going to cook this shrimp for 2 minutes on each side, 1.5 to 2 minutes, no longer than that. These are super colossal shrimp again. And yeah, so you see the shrimp, we already seasoned the shrimp, and it's getting that bacon flavor, that caramelized flavor, so you know it's going to be good. So now I'm going to go ahead and add in half of the green onion that I pre-diced at the end, and I'm just let that get a little sauteed and then take it right on out. All right, now we're going to set that aside with our bacon bits, and make sure all that grease and brown sugar and all that stuff left in the skillet, make sure you put that to the side too. Pour that in with the bacon and shrimp as well, because that's all the flavor. Now I'm taking some seafood stock and I'm going to put it into a pot. And I'm also going to add some Worcestershire sauce into there. And we want to bring this to a boil. Now I'm going to take my grits, and in my grits I also have some Old Bay seasoning and some garlic powder. And I'm going to pour this into the boiling seafood stock. And these are quick grit, guys, so these only take 5 minutes. So you can use old-fashioned grits if you want, but I use quick grits. Now I'm adding in some butter and some sharp cheddar cheese. And voila, that's all done. Very simple. Now I'm just going to assemble my shrimp and grits. So I got my grits in a bowl. I added my bacon, my shrimp, then I'm going to add some more bacon. And then I'm going to top it. I'm going to garnish it with the leftover green onion that I did not saute. So these are the green onions that I did not saute. So you get a nice, pretty, bright green color on top. And then you remember that grease that we set aside? We're going to pour that around the edges of the grits to kind of do like a faux gravy. And as you see here, we're all done, guys. Look at this. This is delicious. The grits are just seasoned very well. Nice and buttery, cheesy, garlic powder and the Worcestershire sauce, the smoky flavor with the smoked paprika, the green onions. Let's not forget the caramelization that we made with the brown sugar. Sweet and the savory with these grits. It just all flow. It goes perfectly together. Super simple, super easy, yet very delicious. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you try it out. Like, comment, and subscribe. I like to interact with you guys, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.